Here's how you can enable speech to text on your Instagram stories. If you want to add captions onto your Instagram stories by taking the text out of your speech of the video, here's how you can do it. First of all, go onto your Instagram and make sure that you logged in with your account and go on to post up a story. What you'll need to do is select the video that you want to post or just shoot the video that you want. Once you're on this screen, you'll need to go on to the stickers option and search for the caption sticker. This would be the sticker. All you need to do is just click on it. It will take some time to analyze the speech from your video and make text out of it. Once it's done, you would see that you will have editable speech to text on your Instagram story. You can change the font, the color, and everything like some normal text on the story. Once you're done with editing all the text, you can just click on add to your story, and that is how easily you can add speech to text or enable speech to text for your Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this and more quick tutorials about social media, make sure to subscribe and like this video.